Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on tagging people in your stories on Instagram. First, go to add a story post like normal. Now, all you have to do is tap the photo to enable text. Now start with an @ sign, followed by the username of the person you would like to tag. And that's it. Just make sure you have entered the username correctly and you are good to go and can publish your story. Now, if we go back and look at my story, we can see that Kim is tagged and it includes a link to her profile. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if it helped you and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Instagram tutorials.